Second problem, if f of x is equal to 1 minus x square mod x less than 1, 0 mod x greater than or equal to 1, find the Fourier transform of f of x and hence find the value of integral 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x divided by x cube into dx. Sub question, integral 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x divided by x cube into cos x by 2 into dx. Important problem. Solution. Fourier transform of f of x is capital letter F of u, you recall the formula, minus infinity to plus infinity, small letter f of x e power iux into dx. But here the meaning of mod x less than 1 means minus 1 less than x less than 1. So this minus 1 to 1 is subinterval lies within minus infinity to plus infinity, that is minus 1 to plus 1. Given function f of x is 1 minus x square into e power iux into dx. Therefore, capital letter F of u. Evaluating the integral function involve two functions. First function is 1 minus x square. Second function is e power iux. You recall which rule we use to evaluating this integral? Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts is there in Fourier series. You apply that rule, that is, you first write the first function, integrating the second function, minus derivative of this function, derivative of 1 minus x square is minus 2x, integration of this, continue the process, e power iux by iu whole square, minus next plus derivative of minus 2x is minus 2, integral of this is e power iux by iu whole cube, minus 1 to plus 1. That is, capital letter F of u is equal to 1 minus x square e power iux divided by iu, minus into minus plus 2x e power iux by I square u square, next plus into minus minus 2 by I cube u cube e power iux, apply limit minus 1 to plus 1. Capital letter F of u is equal to, for convenient to apply the limit, we write one more step. From this 1 by iu constant common, 1 minus x square e power iux, apply minus 1 to plus 1, plus 2 by I square is minus 1 minus u square x e power iux minus 1 to plus 1 minus 1 by I cube is I, that is 2I by u cube common e power iux minus 1 to plus 1. F of u is equal to 1 by iu common from this term, apply 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, between minus, apply minus 1 whole square is 1 minus 1 is also 0, this term first term is 0, minus 2 by u square common, apply 1 for x e power iu 1 minus 1 e power minus iu minus 2I by u cube third term e power iu minus e power minus iu. Next step, that is equal to capital letter F of u is equal to minus 2 by u square common, here e power iu minus into minus plus e power minus iu, e power iu plus e power minus iu minus 2I by u cube e power iu minus e power minus iu, but we know e power iu in terms of cos and sin plus I sin u, e power minus iu is cos u minus I sin u, and e power iu e power minus iu, adding this to cos u, e power iu e power minus iu to I sin u. To apply this, minus 2 by u square e power iu plus e power minus iu is 2 cos u minus 2I by u cube e power iu minus e power minus iu is 2I sin u minus 4 cos u by u square, I into I square is minus 1, minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4 sin u by u cube. For convenient to write, this is the final answer. You can write one more step, take 4 common, sin u minus u cos u divided by u cube LCM is the required Fourier transform. Let us evaluate. Sub question 1, integral 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x divided by x cube dx like previous problem. This term is belongs to small letter f of x, mean we evaluating 0 to infinity f of x dx means we have the formula, that is inverse Fourier transform, is denoted by small letter f of x by inverse Fourier transform. Small letter f of x is equal to 1 by 2 pi times integral minus infinity to plus infinity capital letter f of u into e power minus ux into dx. Sorry, here u is there, here with respect to u, you call equation number 1. If x equal to 0, why we are putting x equal to 0? Because we have f of u is there, we don't want e term, that is why applying x equal to 0, e power 0 is 1, we are eliminating this, that is why. That is f of x equal to 1 minus, given function is there in question, f of x is 1 minus x square is there, you apply x0 is also 1. Therefore f of x is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity. Obtained f of u is 4 times sin u minus u cos u divided by u cube into e power 0 into du. F of 0 is equal to 1. 4 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity, take this outside, sin u cos u by u cube into du equal to 1. Integral minus infinity to plus infinity, sin u cos u by u cube into du is equal to pi by 2. Take this side, pi by 2. You observe sub question A, evaluating the integral from 0 to infinity is there, but here minus infinity to plus infinity is there. Converting minus infinity to plus infinity to 0 to infinity by using the property of definite integral, that is 2 times of integral 0 to infinity. When this function is even, I can write directly 0 to infinity sin u cos u by u cube into du is equal to pi by 2 because given function f of u is even, you can check, replace u by minus u, that is sin of minus u minus of minus u cos of minus u by minus u whole cube is sin u minus u cos u by u cube, minus cancel. Therefore f of u is even. So that is why 2 times 0 to infinity sin u minus u cos u by u cube into du is equal to, you can take pi by 2, 0 to infinity sin u cos u by u cube du is equal to pi by 4. But sub question A, first cos term is there, then sin is, here sin first, cos next. So you can write u cos u minus sin u by u cube into du is minus pi by 4. We don't want u, replace u by x, 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x by x cube dx is equal to minus pi by 4. See how we evaluate a very difficult integral function like integral 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x by x cube dx. The value is minus pi by 4 with the help of Fourier transform. Sub question B, let us evaluate integral 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x divided by x cube into cos x by 2 dx. Cos x by 2 dx. Using inverse Fourier transform denoted by f of x is in the form of small letter f of x, that is why 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity capital letter f of u e power minus iux into du. We have capital letter f of u 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity plus infinity, that is 4 times sin u minus u cos u by u cube into e power minus iux into d. See, reducing this step into this, then only you will get the value of this. That is why putting x is equal to half is the convenient value to reducing this step to this. I will show. That is f of 1 by 2, 4 outside, 2 by pi integral minus infinity plus infinity sin u cos u by u cube e power minus iu by 2. You apply x equal to 1 by 2 into du. Left hand side, you apply x is equal to 1 by 2 for 1 minus x square, 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. What happened here? You will get 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4 is equal to 2 by pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity sin u cos u by u cube into expansion of e power minus iu by 2 in terms of cos and sin, that is cos u by 2 minus I sin u by 2 into du. That is equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity sin u minus u cos u by u cube into cos u by 2 minus I sin u by 2 into du is equal to 3 pi by 8. Equating real and imaginary part. Why we equating real and imaginary parts? Because we in sub question B only cos term is there. This cos term is real part, sin term is imaginary part. That means we select only cos term, that is integral minus infinity to plus infinity u cos u by u cube into cos u by 2 into du is equal to 3 pi by 8. You observe the sub question B like this, that is why. But first cos next sin, and here also because of even nature of sin u minus u cos u by u cube, we verified in sub question A. That is why I can write directly 2 times of 0 to infinity sin u minus u cos u by u cube into cos u by 2 into du is equal to 3 pi by h. That is integral 0 to infinity sin u minus u cos u by u cube into cos u by 2 du is equal to 3 pi by 8 into 2 16. First cos term means write integral 0 to infinity sin u minus u cos u. First you write 0 to infinity u cos u minus sin u by u cube into cos u by 2 du is equal to minus 3 pi by 16. So we don't want u, that is why replace u by x, you will get the required, that is integral 0 to infinity u cos u minus sin u divided by u cube into cos u by 2 into du is equal to minus, replace u by x, replace u by x, x cos x sin x x cube cos x by 2 dx is equal to minus 3 pi by 16. See, the value of this integral function is minus 3 pi by 16. 3 pi by 16. Next problem. Find the complex Fourier transform of f of x is equal to x mod x less than or equal to alpha, 0 mod x greater than alpha, where alpha is positive constant. Solution: we have Fourier transform of f of x denoted by capital letter F of u minus infinity to plus infinity f of x into e power iux into dx. Here mod x less than or equal to alpha means minus alpha less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus alpha. So f of u minus alpha to plus alpha x e power iux f of x is x into dx that is f of u alpha x e power iux dx. Integration by parts, two functions. Write first function integrating second. Minus derivative of x is 1 e power iux by iu whole square minus alpha to plus alpha, minus alpha to plus alpha. 1 by iu common from this term, x e power iux minus alpha to plus alpha. Here I square is minus into minus plus 1 by u square e power iux 1 by iu, apply alpha for x, plus 1 by u square e power iu alpha e power minus iu alpha, here alpha common, e power iu alpha plus e power minus iu alpha u square. You know, e power iu alpha minus e power is 2i sin alpha u, that is f of u is equal to 1 by iu alpha common 2 cos u alpha plus 2i by u square sin u alpha. One by I is minus I to alpha by u cos u alpha plus 2i by u square sin u alpha, 2i common, sin u alpha by u square minus alpha cos u alpha by u is the required Fourier transform. Number 4, this is for homework like previous problem. Find the Fourier transform of f of x square mod x less than a 0 mod x greater than a, where a is a positive constant, Answer for this, try move home. 2a square sin au by u plus 4a cos au by u square minus 4 sin au by u cube is the answer. You try in your home. Next problem. Find the Fourier transform of f of x is equal to e power minus mod x. Solution. Fourier transform of f of x is given by f of u minus infinity to plus infinity f of x e power iux into dx. But here f of x means e power minus mod x. You know the expansion of e power minus mod x with respect to that is, you apply this mod x involve both positive and negative. That is why you first apply plus inside, plus into minus, you write like this. After plus, next you apply minus inside mod, minus into minus plus, that is e power x. See, you first apply plus inside. Plus means positive side. Positive side means 0 less than x less than infinity. You apply next minus inside, minus into minus plus e power x is there. Next you apply inside minus negative side, that is you write negative side of infinity means minus infinity less than x less than 0. For see how we expand e power minus mod x is, I repeat, mod x means it involves both positive and negative. That is, first apply inside mod plus into minus. Applying first inside mod plus means positive side of infinity. Positive side of infinity means we write 0 less than x less than infinity. Next you apply minus inside mod, minus into minus plus, that is e power x. Minus means negative side, you write minus infinity less than x less than infinity. That minus infinity plus infinity can split into these two functions. Capital letter f of u, write minus infinity to plus infinity, minus infinity to 0, minus infinity to 0, e power x, e power iux, 0 to infinity, e power minus x, e power iux dx. That is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity, same base, e power x plus iux dx, minus infinity 0, 0 to infinity plus iux dx, minus infinity to 0, e power 1 plus iux dx, e power minus of 1 minus iu of x dx. Integral of this is e power 1 plus iu of x by 1 plus iu, minus infinity to 0. Here 1 minus iu x minus of 1 minus iu, 0 to infinity, that is 1 by 1 plus iu common, apply 0 1, apply minus infinity 0, here minus 1 minus iu, apply infinity 0, apply 0 1, that is equal to f of u 1 by 1 plus iu, minus into minus plus 1 by 1 minus iu. This is the final. Okay, write one more step. 1 minus iu, 1 plus iu, 1 a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, cancel, 2 by 1 I square minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 plus u square, sorry. So this is the required Fourier transform. We'll continue in next class.